Hey everybody, Brandon here. I hope you are safe and well during these absolutely crazy, insane times. So just a reminder that this Saturday, October 31st, which is Halloween here in the US at 11 a.m. Eastern US time, I will be doing a rare live stream on YouTube. So last one I did was like 6 months ago. So I thought we would do one for the fall period and just sort of hang out, chat. I don't like to make it about statistics because that's not the most exciting thing in the world. We can talk a bit about that if you want, but I always open up the conversation to talk about business, career, current events, whatever questions you might want to ask me about certain things is fine. And of course, I will respond to the chat the best I can, but also for this live stream, I have created a form page on my website where you can go there and submit questions ahead of time. And that allows me to research the question maybe and put it up on the screen for everyone to see. And we can facilitate a discussion that way also. So the link to that page will be in this post or the description below, depending on where you are watching it. So I hope to see you this Saturday, October 31st, 11 a.m. Eastern USA time, to have a 30 to 60 minute sort of social hangout and discussion. So I hope to see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.